Hey y'all, I feel like eating some yellow beans, but this is the real name of them right here. So I soaked them already, added some seasoning, put them in my pot. 2 hours on stew, added a little butter. We're gonna come back in a minute. Here we go. Look at my purple aesthetic. But anyway, I'm back. It's been 2 hours. Yep, I added a little curry in there too. That's why they turn soda so yellow. Ready to eat, child. Hey, Purpzilla. Y'all want to know what's in there? Well, let's take a peek. Ah, not yet. Look at my beautiful strawberries. I wanted to muddle them because I still wanted all of the juice and most of the fruit in there. So I used this contraption right here. I scraped all that down. Y'all didn't see me do that. Added some Florida crystals. Some fresh lemonade. Made my own strawberry lemonade. Good old ice cubes. Just poured it on up because my food is just about ready. See there? Y'all thought I was cooking something major. Just a little piece of boudin in my beans. I just wanted y'all to know, if you live alone, you cook a one bowl meal. And it was so delicious, y'all. And this lemonade here. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and get up out of here. Just eat a little something. I gotta get to my hair and finish my laundry, y'all. Oh, I gotta feed my dog too. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later on. Love you.